Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I have got a brand new supplier for us. It is called Magnifique Hearts. Magnifique Hearts? Magnificent Hearts? I don't know, some kind of that. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and find out what we have in this new supplier. I think it's smaller items, and so we're gonna check this out and see what we got. Okay, I know it doesn't look like a lot, but this is basically a sample buy. Anytime we buy from a new company, we try to buy a little bit of a smaller amount, find out, do we like it? Actually, honestly, it's to find out, do you like it? And so if you guys really love this stuff, if we start selling out of it right away, then we usually go right away and immediately buy a larger quantity. And so let's go ahead and see what it is. I have no idea. This is
I can't
a total mystery. All I know is it says it's called Magnifique Hearts, or Magnificent.
Magnifique.
See how it's spelled?
Yeah, Magnifique maybe.
All right, let's see what's in here. Ooh.
They sent a letter. Oh, I thought it was a letter.
I thought it was too. Sad face. All right, it was the packing slip.
Okay.
Of what's in here. Okay, so we've got whatever this is. We've got that thing!
Yay.
Okay, let's see what it is. We could just yell that every time we open something. Oh, it's a cutesy little tote bag.
Well, look at that.
Meow.
That is a cool cat, man. I like the blue there.
Yeah, so all of these are all cats. The same thing. It's the same bag.
We got cats. Identical?
Yeah, basically. Yeah.
We got cats, everybody.
We've got cats, everyone.
Cat bag. You can put a cat in the cat bag.
You could put a cat in the cat bag and go for a walk. Go for a walk with a cat in the cat bag. Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Is this a cat bag? This is a cat bag.
More cat bags.
More cat bags. How many times can we say cat bags?
You can put a cat bag in a cat bag with a cat.
That's true. You have multiple cats in a cat bag.
That's true, right? Yeah, I guess.
What's multiple cats? You know how like a bunch of cows is a herd, a bunch of crows is a murder, murder of crows.
A bunch of alligators is a congregation.
It is. So what's cats?
It's a litter.
It's a litter of cats.
It's a litter of cats? I thought that's when you have
when they're babies.
When they're a baby, right? And have birth.
What happens when they're having a...
Is it a pride? Like lions is a pride?
Oh, yeah, like Pride of the Tribe, or not Pride of the Tribe. Like,
that's what we do
an
at
award
school.
at our school,
Yeah.
sorry. But yeah, like a Pride of Lions, Pride of Cats.
Pride of cats? I don't know. Flock of cats?
A flock of cats. A congregation of cats.
Something.
When I see a congregation of cats, I see like a cat at a little
much
pulpit.
about cats, really.
I see a cat at a pulpit, like preaching to a bunch of little cats standing there.
It could happen. We don't know.
Yeah.
What are
That's
they
the
doing?
picture in my head. Okay, randomly we're gonna change our. These are owls.
Little brooch.
Ooh. These are all owls. These are all owls.
It might be.
They're all golden owls. We have some sunflowers.
Those brooches.
Those are also brooches.
Okay.
Then we have a bluebird on a flower.
A little bird. Little bird
Looks
brooch.
like these are, so we have like quantity 5 of these. What are these? Is this a tote bag? It's a Faith tote bag. Too bad Faith didn't come with us to unbox the Faith tote bag.
That's true. She's cleaning the house right now.
She is cleaning the house right now.
She's having what, sleepover tonight?
Yeah. Oh, this is a bundle.
Oh, hey. Well, there you go.
It's a little like makeup bag or cosmetic bag. Or trinkety bag or jewelry
I do like
bag.
that. First time I saw that was on a t-shirt.
Yeah, the cross
that
with the
way.
Faith, the word Faith.
Yeah.
All right, so we have we've got a bunch of Faith in this
So are
box.
they sold in a set? Is that what we're doing here?
It's the little bag and the tote bag all as a set.
Okay.
So there's a whole bunch of Faith in this box.
Faith
This
box.
box has a lot of Faith.
Very faithful box.
Very faithful box. All right, shall we start the next box? Let's see how many stories we can come up with, the items in this box. Yes, look at these wallets.
Do you remember when we had like a $100 bill wallet one time, way back in the day?
Way back in the day.
Like 7 years ago.
Boy, this one's way fancy. It's a bifold wallet.
Even comes with your own personal credit card.
American Express.
Endorsed. there a TV going on? What am I hearing? Kids playing?
I don't know. The delivery guy's picking up our packages.
I hear children playing. Where's that going on?
I think they're watching a video or something back there.
Are they? Oh, okay. All right.
There's a whole herd. There's a whole congregation. There's a whole flock of children.
Cats?
No, I don't think it's
cats over there. All right.
Yeah, cats and children. They sound the same, right?
Sure. Sometimes.
All right, we have a bunch of those wallets.
We're getting distracted from the video. We do
are
apologize.
sorry. This is, you know what? This is like everyday squirrel. You know, like, and then we have the same thing in the black color. It's $100 bills, y'all.
There you go. Yeah. It's a nice wallet.
It is a really nice wallet. And a lot of guys like the bifold because they're not as thick.
Yep.
So, good size wallet. All right, what else we got in here? I see a tote bag maybe. Will it be cats?
No telling.
It is cats.
It is a cat.
It is a cat. It's a sleepy cat.
Got a bumblebee there too.
There's a bumblebee.
That cat's living his best life.
He is living his best, sleeping in a tree, living his best life. Okay, so we've got another cat bag. You can carry cats in that bag and then put it in the other cat bag, and then you have a bunch of cats in a cat bag. What else we got in here? What is this? Something metal. Oh.
What is it?
It's a bike, but it actually like... Oh, it's actually oiled so the chain works.
Can you like actually ride this bike?
Yes, you can.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Does it have a stand?
Yeah. There it goes.
Ooh. You're like grinding stuff off the wheels, off the chain.
It stands up like that.
That is sweet, man.
But you can turn the wheel. It just takes a minute to get moving.
Yeah, the chain gets moving.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That is really cool. It'd be a cool little decor piece.
You know what I think of? Do you want to know what's in my brain when I see this?
I'm not sure.
Oh,
really?
The Wicked Witch.
There's no basket for Toto, though.
You're right. You can buy a basket and put it on here.
You could. You could buy
All right.
a small
So
Toto
is
basket.
it all bikes? Ooh, wait, what's in here?
Bicycle decor.
What is this? Now we got motorcycles made out of nuts and bolts. Do you like the noise?
That is cool.
The engine noise?
That is stinking cool, man.
Yeah, it looks kind of like a...
You got the little ball bearings down there, too. That is neat.
I think
That'd
that's
be a fun
it.
little trinket.
Those are fun little trinkets.
Yeah.
Great desktop decor.
I think that one would go. How many of those do we even have?
I only have, it is bulb bearings.
Yeah.
Like it actually does spin. I know we have two. Hold on. The rest of these are the big bikes, but we might find more. So far we only have two of the kind of bronze looking motorcycles. All right. Let's see, what shall we find in this box? Will it be more cat bags?
We can only hope.
We can only hope. All the dog lovers out there are feeling left out.
They are.
Oh, here's a wallet for you.
$100.
Here, hold on, I want to see what kind of pockets. This is more, I would say, ladies' wallet style. Ooh, that's a soft material.
So we have men's and women's $100 bill
Yep.
wallets.
There you go. You got zipper, you got the credit card slots. It's a great wallet. Everybody needs that wallet. What do we have here? Stop the madness. It's a bike pizza cutter.
Of course.
Hold on, this one's
That looks awesome.
partially
Heather.
open.
That looks awesome.
Rylan, you need this in your house, don't you?
I do.
You need it in your dorm room.
Oh, dorm room. Because look, it has a little holder,
Oh yeah.
so it stands up.
Pizza cutter bicycle.
Yes,
That is really cool.
that's super cool. Does this turn? Nope, it just goes straight, so you can just cut the pizza. That's
Nice.
amazing. This is amazing.
Hopefully I bought a few of those.
Yes, you have a bunch. This is actually really sharp. I'm trying not to cut my finger off right now.
Don't forget the little stand for it.
Good idea. Thank you for the reminder, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we've got pizza bike, pizza bike, pizza bike. Got some more pizza bikes. Now I want to eat pizza and cut it with a bike. All right, more wallets. I think you got 5 total of those ladies' wallets. Oh, another pizza bike. What is in here? Looks like we have 5 of whatever this is.
Okay. Flour?
It's a gramophone.
Of course it is. That's what we did. We went gramophone on it.
Oh, it actually
Does it actually play?
has a little wind-up thing. I don't know if it's, I think it's just decorative maybe. Then this goes here.
I'm intrigued. Yes, Heather. Gramophone.
That's cool.
That is cool.
I like it. It's got a little, look at the front, has a little,
It's got the dog. It looks like the RCA. Remember the dog looking at
Yeah.
the gramophone deal though?
that's cool.
That's fun.
That's fun. Probably just leave that unboxed. These are all the rest
It's
of
not
them.
like a trinket box, is it? Does it open? Just curious if it did.
No, it's
No?
just like a decorative piece.
Here, throw it on the ground real hard and see if it
Oh,
opens.
stop.
Okay, no. We shouldn't do that.
All right, last box. Are we ready for it?
I'm pumped.
Pumped. I was a little disappointed there were no cat bags in there.
Sorry, Heather.
The dog lovers are crying inside. Oh, but there's cat bags. Just a different kind of cat bag. Yay. Makes me so happy. Look, do I look as happy as this cat?
It's like twins. It's like you're looking at twins right there.
These are actually really soft and fuzzy. Little change purse. Put your chapstick in there, lipstick, your jewelry, whatever you want to put in the cat bag. I do not think a cat can fit in this cat bag, though.
Please don't stuff a cat in the bag.
No. Maybe a little kitten, maybe, but
gotta let
don't
the-
zip it closed,
You gotta let the
please.
cat out of the bag.
Oh, that's a whole different thing now. Then we put a cat in the tote bag that we
We
first
probably
opened,
shouldn't put cats in bags.
and then you just lay it down on the floor and you let the cat out of the bag. Where did that phrase come from?
No one knows.
Peacocks, blue ones.
Well, that's a nice little brooch.
That is a nice brooch. Then we have, ooh, what's this? I'm gonna open this and see what it is. It's some sort of jewelry. I don't know if it's bracelet, necklace, but I'm gonna take it all the way out of its container so that we can see exactly what it is.
I think the pizza bicycles are going to sell out immediately.
Agreed.
That turned out to be a good looking thing.
That was cool looking. Okay, how many bags do I have to open to get to this one piece of jewelry? Oh, it's a bracelet. Pretty blue.
Boy, that is pretty. Nice.
Yeah, that's really pretty. It's a blue trinkety bracelet. And then we have airplanes.
Brooch or what is that?
Yeah, it's a brooch. It's like a pin. Maybe if like your kid's going on their first flight, that'd be kind of fun. or your son is a pilot, or you just like to travel.
Right. Or you jump out of airplanes.
Or you jump out of airplanes. I mean,
you know, the possibilities are endless.
The possibilities are endless. All right, we've got dragonflies here. Can you see through that, or should I?
Not real well.
Let's take it out of the bag.
There's a glare on the bag.
I'm trying to figure out where the opening of this bag is.
We believe in you, Heather.
I'm just going to make my own opening, I think. Or not.
Is it on this corner right there?
They child-proofed it, Paul. They Heather-proofed it. Still glare? I'll take it all the way out. We got nothing but time, guys. Nothing but time. So, really nice pin on the back. Boy, that's really sparkly.
Little green stones, little rhinestones. Nice.
That's super blingy. We've got another one here.
And all these will go on hookedonpickin.com.
Yes, you'll find the brooches in the jewelry section. You'll find the cat bags in the handbag section.
Pizza cutter kitchen, right?
Yeah, kitchen. I'm just going to show you that way. I think that one you can see through that bag.
Yeah,
pretty
I
good.
think so. Nice.
And also another fun brooch. All right, and then we have turtles. I think that's what's in here. Or very short alligators. Could be that too.
Short alligators? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes,
That have formed a hard shell on the back?
Yes, turtle.
Look at him. There he is. Living his life. Whoop.
He was trying to get you.
He was. Turtle.
Turtle. So we have a bunch of turtles and then a random red box that looks quite interesting. Shall we find out what's in this random red box?
Ooh.
It's a glass turtle.
I like that.
Can you see him okay?
Yeah, pretty good actually. Glass, not plastic?
Glass.
Glass. Nice.
Heavy glass turtle.
Heavy glass turtle. In a red box. That's even better.
Yes. The red box makes it all worth it.
It really does, doesn't it?
Yes. All right, so you can find all of these things on hookedonpickin.com. You'll be able to find a lot of the trinket things or jewelry in the jewelry section, wallets and bags in handbags. I'm trying to think of what, the little motorcycles and stuff. We do have a category called fun finds, and so a lot of times we'll put that in home decor and maybe fun finds.
That's a
so
good
if you
category
can't
for it.
find it,
Fun finds is our category. We have no clue what
it's
to
kind
put
of
it
our miscellaneous.
Yep.
We also have a brand new category. If you didn't get a chance to watch our Thursday video, a brand new category called vintage valuables. Vintage valuables. All of the items in the vintage valuables section are items that we have been purchasing from community people, and so they've been bringing stuff in. We've been purchasing it from them. Some of those items you see us sell on auction, but we've actually started listing quite a few of the items as a set price, so you can just buy it right now on Vintage Valuables. So check that out. That's also where our rare finds category has moved to, so you'll be able to find each and every one of those items on Vintage Valuables. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and go to hookedonpickin.com to find all of the favorite things you just saw us unbox. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.